Fáilte ród go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is me se Arge agus tapach na seachtain inniu. Siopadóireacht. Shopping. Agus seoiad na Focail agus na Frásaí. Advertisement. Fógra. Bargain, or a good deal. Sladmhargadh. Bargain as a verb. Margáil. Butcher. Búistéir. Buying. A ceannach. Cash. Airgead tirim. Cashier. Airgeadóir. Change. Briseadh no Sóinseáil. Clothing. Éadaí. Credit card. Cárta creidmheasa. Expensive. Costasach no Daor. Free of charge. Aisce. Furniture. Troscán. Greengrocers. Siopa glasraí. Hardware. Crua-earraí. Inexpensive. Saor. Jeweler. Seodóir. Manager. Bainisteoir. Parking lot or car park. Cárchlós. Pharmacy. Cógaslann. Prescription. Doctor. Purse. Sparan. Receipt. Adwal. Sale. Sladmhargadh. Self-service. Féin service. Selling. Airgead. Shopping centre. In a Siopadóireacht. Supermarket. Allmhargadh. Toy shop. Briseadh. Do it yourself or DIY. Jan Hene, no DFA fada. The price is too high. Tan price ró-ard. To try on a pair of trousers. Trilas pair of Briseadh. To get the groceries. And Siopadóireacht yanu. How much does this cost? Gaveda costnian seo. The store is packed with shoppers. Tan Siopa plodithe ladini. Finding a needle in a haystack. Tóriachtáiliúra and rúfi here. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.